ngalesi sikhathi kusuke sengithi bamba sengiyavala ekseni bamba ke sengiyavala before you start your morning. Incwadi ka Mark 4 verses 39, then he arose and rebuked the wind and said to the sea, peace be still, and the wind ceased and there was great calm. Lokhuluma nawe namhlanje ngithi the storm will not sink you. Isivunguvungu osibonayo angeke size siqwilise. You need to understand ukuthi storms are just part of life, but storms are not the end of the story. Ama storms ayasifikela ngoba nje ayingxenye yempilo. No Jesu 100% man and 100% God. He happened to go through a storm in his life. If Jesus went through a storm, kusho ukuthi nathi we sometimes go through storms of life. But we must understand that storms are not the end of the story, and storms are not the end of our lives. Ayafika bese eseyadlula futhi, and you must understand ukuthi storms are just temporary. They are not forever. Every storm has an expiry date. Nesakhi storm esikufikelile sinosuku lokuphela kwaso, ngoba there is no storm efika kuze kube phakade. No matter how difficult is your storm, but it has an expiry date. No matter how painful is your storm, but it has an expiry date. You need to understand ukuthi noma ngabe uzizwa kanjani namhlanje, kodwa leso storm esikufikelayo isizodlula. And you must understand ukuthi leso storm, it will never sink you, it will never drown you, as long as you have Jesus in your boat. Ngoba enye into yabasiza lama bebona istorm ingenxa ukuthi bathi bengena kwistorm bangangena moto bangena nayo uJesu. Now you need to understand ukuthi ungalenzi iphutha lokuthi udlule kuma storms kanti udlula wedwa, ngoba there will be no Jesus to calm the storm. Bathi babhekana nestorm laba babhekana naso kanti no Jesu khona in the boat. Make sure ukuthi uma kwenzeka sikufica istorm, sikufica uJesu khona. Masikufica istorm sizokwenza ukuthi ungakhathazeki kakhulu, ngoba uyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu unawe, and you are not alone in that storm. God is with you and God will calm the storm. Ngakho ke it will never sink you ngoba uNkulunkulu ukhona. Now understand one thing ukuthi ukwesaba angeke kuze kusiqede istorm, kodwa ukukholwa yikho okuzosenza siphele sidlule. Mawusaba ayikho into ezoshintsha istorm, kodwa mawukholwa uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngasimisa istorm siziyokuma. Ngakho if you find yourself in the storm, never fear but have faith ukuthi uNkulunkulu okholwa nguye uyokuba namandla ukusimisa aphinda siqede istorm sakho, ngoba uNkulunkulu. Abantu abaningi when they go through the storm they lose faith bese bembanjwa yifear. But when you go through the storm, have faith, believe in God, uzobona ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzokwazi ukuthi akukhulule. And bamba into eyi-one, after every storm there is peace. After usudlulele kuleso storm odlula kusona, you must know peace is on the way, peace is coming. Ukuthula kuyokufikela nawe, ngoba after every storm kuba khona i-calmness, kuba khona i-peace. Nawe ungabona sengathi manje lesi storm odlula kusona sizoqeda. No, there is peace that's coming. Lithi iBhayibheli uJesu ebona istorm wakhuluma ukuthula sisekhona istorm. Nawe makube khona amazwi wakhulumayo in the midst of the storm. Wathi uJesu peace be still, wamemezela ukuthula kunesivunguvungu. In the midst of your storm, yini into oyikhulumayo? Ngiyacela ukuthi ukhuluma ukuthula in the midst of the storm. Don't wait until the storm is over, but in the midst of the storm speak peace. Khuluma into ofuna ukuyibona sikhona istorm sakho. Mawenza njalo, calmness and peace will come in your life. I am Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning.